We have some more commands that we use on network, disk management, and security. Here they are. Open run with Win+R and then type this one. It opens network connections where you can quickly enable, disable, or configure adapters. And this command opens internet properties where we can clear browser history, adjust colors, language, fonts, and a lot more. And this command shows IP details instantly. And this command opens programs and features where we can uninstall or change programs, view installed updates, and other options as well. And this command provides quick access to the version, edition, and build number of the operating system currently running in the PC. And this command shows system information that provides a comprehensive view of PC's hardware, system component, and software environment. And this command opens disk management, letting us view partitions, assign driver letters, or troubleshoot storage issues. And this command opens system properties, where we can manage advanced system settings, optimize performance, troubleshoot issues, and configure software and hardware settings. And this command opens Device Manager that allows us to view and control hardware attached to the computer. And this command opens printers and devices, including Bluetooth devices, where we can add new devices and change existing printer properties and preferences. And this simple command opens Windows malicious software removal tool that scans the PC for known malwares, viruses, and worms and removes them.